Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be showing you how to sew a tailor's ham. We all know that ordering tailor's ham online is very expensive. I'm going to show you how to make a traditional tailor's ham. Tailor's ham is used by fashion designers for ironing bustiers and that. So I'm going to be showing you how to do this, and also it's going to help you to save all these scraps. You have so many pieces in your workspace and you don't know what to do with them. I'm going to show you how to put this to good use in your tailor's ham. So just follow me. To make your tailor's ham, there are materials you'll be needing. First, you'll be needing the fabric you'll be using to cover the cover fabric or the ham itself. So this is just for aesthetic purpose. That's why I'm using two fabrics. But if you have one, please use it. Just for aesthetics, that's what I'm using two. Because if you actually check, I'm going to link up pictures up here. You'll see that the bottom part and the top part have different fabrics. So that's why I'm using two fabrics. But if you have one, please do you. So certain things you must consider while getting the fabrics for your ham. First, you need to know that it has to be heat resistant. Because you don't want to use nylon. We don't want to use something that before when the iron gets too hot, it starts burning even before what you're sewing. So you want to make sure that it's something that can resist heat, high temperature heat. But then also you want to make sure that it's firm. The fabric is firm. Like I can give you suggestions. Cotton. I know cotton will do very well. I have this fabric that is very firm and it's heat resistant. Then this one I'm using for the bottom part. I just like this one because it's very soft and you can see what I'm saying. So that's why I'm going to be using this. This is going to be for the bottom side, right? This is going to be like for the top part, yeah. So the first thing we needing materials for the ham. The second thing, your tape rule. I'm just going to be bringing them out. Your thread, matching thread or not, any thread you have. Then you're going to need your scissors. Then to the matter of today, you're going to need your scrap fabrics, like a lot of them that you can get. So I still have some behind the camera, but I can't bring everything here until we start working. So let me just set this aside. I'm going to start with my pattern cutting. Yes, I'm going to start cutting my pattern for this ham. And guys, this is me giving you free pattern. So if you don't subscribe to my YouTube channel, what are you waiting for? So the length we're using for this is length will be 10 inches, width will be 8 inches, then height will also be 8 inches. I feel this height is going to be dependent on your scrap fabrics. Yeah, so well, for us to be working with the height as 8 inches. So this is what I have here. If you follow me very well in this channel, you know that the units for the dimensions I use is inches. Inch, I mean. So if you use centimeter, what you just need to do is to convert. So length 10 inches, width 8 inches, height 8 inches. That's the dimension we're using for our tailor ham for today. So let's go to pattern cutting. Back then, in my technical drawing class, my teacher didn't tell us to draw a center line, but I'll not be doing that today. So, but if you feel like that's okay for you, you can do that too. Because me, I'm up for saving time and energy. Yeah. So to make sure that we have uniform sides and one side is not looking different from the other angle or the other side. That's the reason why I'm folding my paper into two. And the first thing I will do here is to measure. I said my length. This folding is only going to affect the width. It's not going to affect the length. So my length is 10 inches. This is my 10 inches here. I'm just going to mark it at the center, starting from, yeah. So this is my 10 inches. Then also something I want to do. If you look at the traditional tailor's ham, the traditional tailor's ham has a part that is a bit tapered, while one part is more round. So I'm basically going to cut in an oval shape. Oval shape is like an egg shape. Yeah, that's what I'll be using for this. So at my center, which is going to be 5, I'm just going to do this. Okay, guys, I think I'm going to be adding 1 inch. Just let me add 1 inch for seam allowance, and that seam allowance is only going to be for the length. I'm not going to add to the width because my pattern paper is a bit small. So that means my center now is going to be 5.5, then 11 for the full length. So then for my width, I'm going to come down from this 5.5. Then I'm just going to measure. Remember, my width was 8 inches. So that's going to be 4 on fold. Here, this is where you're going to apply your freehand drawing, or if you have a French curve, you can use it. I don't have a French curve, so I'm just going to use my freehand. So we are just going to come. You can start with a faint line first if you're using your freehand. Because remember, it's an oval shape. It's an oval shape, it's an egg shape you're drawing. Yeah, then this is the tapered part. I don't know if you can see it. Can you see what I've just done? Now I'm just going to make it more eligible for you to see. It's small, that's why. So we're just going to cut. So this is what my pattern for the tailor's ham is looking like, and I'm just going to go ahead to cut the fabric. So this is my top fabric. This is one struggle I have, guys. I don't know if I'm the only one detecting front and back. Okay, I think this is the back. Yeah, this is the front. So I think what I will just do is to cut both of them together because I like to save time. The right side, this is the right side of my fabric, and this is the right side of the other part. So right side facing right side. Okay, guys, so I think I'm just going to do minor alteration here because I noticed that this my fabric is not up to it. So I'm just going to do like minor alteration. But for yours, if you have like enough fabric, please use it too. You can use this, it's big enough. It's okay. Now maybe for someone that is also in the same situation I am right now, and you are wondering what can you do for your width, like the standard measurements for tailor's ham for your width should be 6 to 8 inches, while for your length should be 10 to 12 inches. So it means you can walk around those dimensions even if it's 6 and you still get it right. So what I just did was I cut off part of like my width just to fit into this one. Yeah, so let's see it now. Okay, I think I'm just still going to trim off a bit. Yeah, so let's see this now. Okay, so it's fitting now, it's perfect. So I'm just going to go ahead to cut. This is what my cutout is looking like. I'm just going to get my pins and pin all around. After this, we are just going to proceed to the sewing machine. So follow me, let's make this ham. Okay guys, so now I want to start sewing our tailor's ham. Yeah, I already have my ham pinned already. I'm just going to sew. Okay guys, so I didn't stitch everything totally. I had to leave from this point to this point. The essence for that is for turning and when I want to fill in my ham. So I'm just going to go ahead to top stitch and I'm going to start filling my ham. Okay guys, so this is what it's looking like after turning. I'm supposed to press it now, but as it stands there is no light, so I can't press it yet. So this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. Then I'm going to fill it. When I fill it, it's going to assume the shape of the ham. Okay, so let's go fill it. Okay guys, so I went ahead to shred my scraps. It's time to start filling the ham. So this is what we're just going to do. We're just going to put this into it. Okay guys, so I'm just going to fill this up and come back to show you the results. I'm done filling the Tailor's ham already. This is how it's looking like. So I'm just going to tack with my hand needle. You can use your sewing machine if you want, but just feel like this is what would be very easy for me to do. So I'm just going to tack it throughout to cover up this place, and I'll come to show you the after results. Okay guys, so this is what the Tailor's ham is looking like. You can see it's looking neat. So with this now I can iron my bustier, my darts, and it's going to sit well. Okay guys, if you've watched to this point, thank you so much for watching my videos. I hope you learned so many things from this video, and please do subscribe to my YouTube channel if you've not. Please like this video, share with your community, and we are going to see next time. Stay positive, stay happy, and stay stylish. Bye.